Hey hackers, welcome back to ShadowPentest. Did you ever wonder how hackers create a fake login pages to steal passwords? Today we are going deep into the Phishing, a powerful tool used for ethical hacking and cybersecurity awareness. But before we get started, let me be very clear on something very important. This video is for educational purposes only. Phishing is illegal if done without permission. I'm making this video to help you understand and defend against phishing attacks. Do not encourage any phishing attacks and illegal activities with this tool. Use this knowledge for ethically and responsibly. So let's dive into the tool now. What is Phishing? Phishing is an automated phishing tool. It's designed for security testing. It creates realistic fake login page for popular websites like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, which means now is X. Ethical hackers and penetration testers use Phishing to stimulate phishing attacks and educate people about upcoming cyber threats. How do hackers use phishing? Phishing is one of the easiest and most dangerous hacking technique. A fake login page can trick even the smartest user into giving away their passwords and usernames. But knowing how these attacks work is the first step to protect yourself. So let's set up a jet Phishing on Kali Linux. Follow this simple steps. First of all, you go to the GitHub htr Phishing. You can see it here. And then once you go, you will be having a git clone link. Copy this and then paste it to your Kali Linux machine and then run it. It will install all of the packages, including the dependencies. And then after that, you have to go to the Phishing directory. You can use cd Phishing. After that, you need to give the permissions. To give the permission, you can use hd-mode to the file plus x. As you can see, jet Phishing already performed. So here what happens is this shell will be now executed after if you give permission to it. Now we are ready. So let's dive in. So you do jet Phishing. Okay, enter. Jet Phishing is now ready to use. Let's see how it works. Once you run jet Phishing, you will see a list of websites that you can clone for phishing test. Let's say we want to test an Instagram. We simply select the option and jet Phishing will generate the link. Let's select option 2 for Instagram and I will go with the traditional login page. And here let me explain about this tunneling services options. So we have three options here: localhost and Cloudflare and local expose. Let's go with the Cloudflare. Let me take 2 minutes of your time to explain about this. So now what we did, we selected a website from the list, which is Instagram. Now the Phishing will create a template, a website into your local machine. Only within the LAN you can access that particular legitimate phishing link. But when you want to trick somebody to click that link so that they will also see the Instagram page to log in, but now they do not have access to it because we didn't link your local host web server web application, the template, to the public network. That is where it comes the tunneling port forwarding services. You can see I will go with the Cloudflare. So it is asking, do you want a custom port? Actually it will give 8080 by default. I'm okay with it because I'm not running any services on it. As of now, it is created a web page on my local machine with this loopback address. So everything is ready. Do you want to change the mask URL? No, I'm okay with it. Okay. Unable to generate after running on hotspot. I'm not sure why it is happening this way. It's supposed to give us the link. Let us try again. This time I will choose Facebook, my traditional page. I will go with the Cloudflare. No, come on, please give us the link. It could be my ISP blocked, maybe because of malicious. Oh, okay, there you go. We have the link. Now I already connected my phone here. See, so what I do is I will type this URL for you. So levels, tag, trail, tag, forecast, tag nitrogen dot try flare.com. Let me execute this. Something wrong. Maybe I type it wrong. Yes, maybe here the levels. Let me execute. Why so? HTTPS level ELS trail forecast nitrogen dot cloud flat com. So now you can see it will give an Instagram page. Many of them they will think. So let me input here. I will put shadow pen test and here to shadow pen test. Actually, we already connected. If I click on login, you can see immediately I captured the account username and password. Now, this is crazy, right? This is very dangerous. But for user, before you realize, see, it will take to another page, which is facebook.com. So instead of showing us the link for the victim, whenever you click, and first what you do is it will capture the IP address. After that, it immediately switch to the legitimate website, as we've seen here. You can see it here. So that user, you will think like you will now put the mobile number and then you click on continue, but you didn't know that we already captured the details of the account. Not only for Facebook, anything you can do here, but I don't advise it without having permission. This is just for security purpose. This is how hackers set up phishing attacks in just a few minutes. But how can you protect yourself from these scams? Let's talk about it. Now that you know how phishing works, always verify if the website address is correct. That is the first thing you need to do. And enable two-factor authentication. Even if someone steals your password, they cannot log in without the second factor, right? Avoid clicking on suspicious links. Never trust unexpected emails or messages with login links. As you can see here, this link, if you see it, you need to recognize that this is a malicious or suspicious link. So do not click it. Even if you click, they can capture your IP, and with this IP, they can find your location. So hackers are very smart. And last but not least, use browser security tools. Many modern browsers can detect phishing sites and warn you. So hackers rely on carelessness. By being aware, you can protect yourself from becoming a victim. So Zphisher is a powerful tool, but remember, hacking is a responsibility. Ethical hackers use these tools to improve security, not to harm people. If you want to be cybersecurity expert, start by learning how to protect and not attack. Here is a challenge for you. The next time you get an email or message with a login link, don't just click it. Instead, inspect the URL, check for security signs, and verify the source, and share your experience in the comment. So have you ever seen a phishing scam in real life? Tell us about it in the comment, and let help others to stay safe and stay ethical. Thank you for watching my videos. I will come back with the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you so much.